guys, I hope you are well. In this tutorial you will come to know how to install WordPress on localhost. There are two major software which are used for installing WordPress on localhost. First is Xampp and then WordPress. For installing Xampp, first we go to Google Chrome and search for Xampp. Now official site is open. Click on Xampp. Click download button for Windows latest version. Now click here option for downloading the Xampp. Now अगर download button is open, click here and downloading start. After the Xampp, we search for WordPress. For installing WordPress, we go to official site wordpress.org. This version of WordPress appear. Click on Get WordPress. Now download WordPress for Windows. Then downloading start. After downloading both the software, we go to the directory where Xampp is installed. Here is in D drive where is Xampp folder is appear. Click on Xampp, then htdocs and WordPress zip file which we downloaded later. Unzip here. Now unzip is start. It takes few seconds, maybe a 1 minute. After unzipping, a WordPress folder is appear. We wait until unzip. The name of this folder is according to our website for you. I wish to start with. WordPress folder is appear. Click on this folder and rename it. Now open the Xampp and start Apache and MySQL. These are necessary for starting localhost. Go to Google Chrome and search for localhost/phpMyAdmin. Here we create the database for our website for you. Click on new and name the database WordPress for you and hit the create button. Now database is created. Localhost/website name/WordPress. A dialog box open. Click on English and continue. Here we paste the name, database name as we created in Xampp. Paste in the first field. Then username by default root and password is empty. And then submit. Write the site title name, website for you. In next field, set the username and password. You can set the password as you desire. I created a username admin and password admin1234. Next, you type email and continue. Here, same credential, username and password put and then login. Now successfully our WordPress dashboard is open. Go to appearance, then select the theme for our website. Click on theme button. Here we can add a new theme. Click on add new. Search for Astra, which is the most popular theme in WordPress. Hit the install button on Astra theme. It takes few seconds to install. We wait it for installing. Click on activate the theme. When activating the theme, this theme setup for our website. Visit the website in which Astra theme is applied. Here in the bottom you can see Astra WordPress theme applied on website.